Okay.
Okay, the assignment for next week, go to this particular link, okay? futurecoder.io/courses/ I think let's even start from here actually. Right. So yeah. So you go to futurecoder.io, click on start learning, okay? And then go to table of contents, okay? And then click on using variables, okay? So you need to look at that using variables, go through that and do the code at the in the black screen, okay, which is called the shell, okay? And once you finish, you're going to have next, go to the next. So I want you to do the one for using variable and print, writing programs and storing calculation, okay, variables. So that is what we'll do for next week, okay? All right, so then after that, we'll then move into loops, okay? So before we come back next week, ensure that you've done number 2, number 3, and number 4, okay? And when we come back, it's going to be like a quick 5 minutes. Then I'll ask you to show me your screen, what you've done. So before that, I want you to look into that, okay? And, and for those guys that have not done today's one, you can start from beginning, right? Do like a refresher, introduction of the shell, navigation, and introduction of the string, and adding string, okay? And variables, okay? All right, thank you.
No.
Okay,
Welcome.
okay, Del.